to our dance Pretty by Meyy, M-E-Y-Y.
Yeah.
And we hope you enjoy it. We like it. It's very cute and fun.
Very fun and girly. Yes. So, okay.
I'll be facing the back and Bree will be facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the slide part, be sure you're looking to the side and yeah, that's my tip. And clean,
Yeah.
make it clean.
We don't.
Yes.
Yeah. And, there are no hard parts in this dance for either one of us, I don't believe.
Mm-mm. This
So,
one's pretty simple. Any
Yeah.
level can do it. Maturity level is definitely going to be high on this one.
yes.
But yeah, let us know if you have any questions and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. See you next